This is the final part of principles of the unit principles marketing for my students of marketing. This is part 3 of the 3 parts. I am your tutor, Professor Bwisa. So welcome to our final part of principles of marketing. Yes, this is the final part of the 3-part lecture. My question is, don't look at this as just the normal lecture written exams process. No. This unit, normally delivered theoretically, you have seen part 1, you have seen part 2 of this lecture, and in all of them I've been promising you to understand what we're saying, but go and practice it. So this is our final part, and we're going to talk about the basic process of marketing. Let's look at the marketing process from what to what to what. That is what a process means. So where we are saying marketing process is creating value for customers. And there it is. You understand the marketplace, the customer needs, and the wants. Reflect on Bwisa's 9 P's. The M, marketing, means measure consumer needs. So you reflect at the marketplace, the customer needs. And then what you do then, you are doing research in the marketplace. You are looking at customer needs and wants. Then you are managing the marketing information and the customer needs. So, number 2, you design a customer-driven marketing strategy. In Bwisa's 9 P's, it is assemble the product. Select the customers to serve. Segmentation and targeting. Design a value proposition, differentiation and the positioning. In other words, like I said, even when you are just selling them sweets, you may want to buy sweets in a wholesale and start either selling them to students in your campus or even to retailers, whatever you want. But you see, you must innovatively sell. You must tell them what value they are going to get from you. Door-to-door delivery, for example. That is it. Then number 3, construct an integrated marketing program. Product or service design and building strong brands. You may indeed want to buy something in bulk, break it down and rename it if you want, brand it. Pricing and making attractive. You want to price the product and make it attractive. Place. Are you going to distribute through the internet? Are you going to work like my Kitale students? Are you going to look to Line Saba and sell what you have bought from wholesale? You see, promotion. How are you going to reach the people? Are you going to use WhatsApp? Are you going to use Instagram? All those will be necessary when you start reporting how you market it. Building strong relations with the target market. That is, build profitable relationships and create delight. You just don't sell once and for it. You may want to build those relations. And lastly, capture the value. Capture value from customers to create profit and customer inquiry. Your customers, you want them to come back to you. So, create customer satisfaction and delight. Capture customer lifetime value and increase market share and share of customers. So you see, this is the process. Let's look at that again. The marketing process which you must study well and apply. That is, understanding the marketplace, the customer needs, designing a customer-driven marketing strategy, constructing an integrated marketing program, building profitable relationships and creating delight, and finally, capturing the value from the customers. And this is what you're going to do in this unit. We can also look at that in 4 words: attract, convert, close, delight. Attract and engage. Create targeted content that answers your customers' questions and be ready to be available even if online. Again, just get the needs and target those needs. Now, convert. When you have done that, convert, get more information about your prospective customers so you can guide them through the sales funnel. Close. Once you have collected detailed information about your prospective customers, you can customize the marketing that leads them to buy your product. And of course, delight. While an immediate goal may be sale of one product, your strategic goals focuses on brand loyalty and long-term value. You must get these loyal customers keep coming to you. So that's why you say, make sure you attract them. You can sing to them if you want. Then convert that attraction into reality, close, and delight. So this is another way of looking at the marketing process. And now, I here give you 10 examples of different types of marketing strategies. 1, social media marketing strategy. This may encompass both organic and paid social strategies. Use of social media. Email marketing strategy, you can use email. Inbound marketing strategy, this encompasses strategies that pull customer in rather than using disruptive tactics such as traditional advertising. Not every product will require the traditional advertising, do TVs, not through media, audio and written. Content marketing strategy, closely associated with inbound marketing, but more specifically focused on the creation of content that pulls audience. How are you going to attract them? Editorial strategy. I want you to Google these strategies and read about them by yourself. Marketing communication strategy, digital marketing strategy, internal marketing strategy, public relations strategy, and CEO strategy. Please write this down on your paper. Go in your Google window and just put there the word and information will come. I couldn't cover all of it in this single slide. So, at this source, we are told that any marketing strategy must answer the question number 1, who are you trying to reach? Number 2, where will you try to reach them? Number 3, how will you inspire them to take action and buy from you? And number 4, how will you measure your success? So all these guiding questions should help you in the exercise that you are going to get. And we are told that the key goals of marketing, what are we trying to achieve? Get your general aims of your marketing. The objective. What is our specific target? And the strategy. How will we achieve our objectives? Which technique shall we use to implement our strategy? So that is the top-down kind of inverted triangle that you start with the broad goals, go to projects, and you get to strategy and then the tactics. Those are now the tactics. And finally, not really finally, we want to look at the different stages customers go through when making a purchase. Yes, when you understand this, then you'll be able to serve your customers well. It's like a funnel. What does the marketing funnel look like? You know, these are the different stages customers go through when making a purchase. In the first place, they discover. So, the customer discovers that there's a new thing here and there. And when they discover, then they consider whether to buy it or not. And then finally, they purchase. So, can you make the customers discover you? How are you going to make them discover you? How are you going to reach them? How are you going to advertise yourself? And when you do that, make sure that you do it such that the customer considers buying from you and finally buys from you. So, a lot of effort for you to make sure that you are discovered. And then consideration will come and a purchase will come. So, when you talk about discovery, you're saying, make those customers know you. Reach them, reach as many as you can. And then consideration, appetize them to buy from you. And finally, purchase, sell it to them. So it is simple. You know, reach many of them. Not all of them will buy. That's a funnel. A few will consider to buy. Then you'll don't just reach one and get disappointed. That's the meaning of this. So now, here are your assignments. Working in groups of 2. But if you are an odd number in the class, then one group can have 3 members. Now, using the Bwisa's 9 P's of marketing, identify needs of a group of customers of your choice. Design a product or a service for them or for the identified needs and produce it, then price it and promote it to the target market and sell it at a profit, ensuring sales sustainability, meaning you should continue in this business even after this unit is over. Now, if you cannot design a product or a service, then obtain or purchase an existing one and use it to sell it to the market that probably was not getting it. Now, this assignment constitutes both the cut and final examination. So don't sit there waiting to do any written exam from me. You do this, I will collect it. I will give you instruction on how to collect it. If you can even make a video of what you are doing, that will be great. So, online marketing. Online marketing is now fashionable. So, this now is the final end, and I want to repeat, I hope you enjoyed the learning. If you did, please do me some comments in a short video. Send it to me for my records and tell somebody about it. I keep repeating in this marketing lecture, I have my chicken. I market even the feathers. I market even the intestines. Those byproducts, I market them, the rendering businesses that make useful products out of chicken, byproducts. The blood can go for pet food, the feathers can go for, for pillows and all that. So, you can reach me, Professor Henry Bwisa, bwihem@gmail.com. You can also reach me, 722-858-507. Thank you for listening. I know you can't clap for me. I cannot see you clapping for me. Let me clap for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for listening. Thank you for being my good student. Now, do the assignment. Asante sana, tuonane kwa assignment.